Reflections of sound waves. As we are studying sounds, its propagations, its mediums, and the different mediums in which of the where does the sounds can the moves and traveling of sounds as solid liquid gas. It's in respect to the lights and its the comparisons between lights and sounds, and its reflections are same as follow the rules of the lights also. So reflections depend upon the sign of angle of incidence and angle of reflections, planes, and also its propagation. So it can reflect on any surface, but depending upon the any surface, it can be a surface is also a medium through which reflection takes place. In which that is not not well wise. That's there are different rules for the reflections of sounds in a plane as a plane surface or a rough surface. So we will discuss here the reflections of sound and define it and try to incorporate you so that you can better understand its physics. This is physics. Now reflections of sound waves. Reflections of sound wave. This is the reflections of sound waves. Oh, sorry, physics is written here. Physics. Physics reflections of sound waves. Okay, reflections of sound waves. Now we will discuss the reflections of sound waves and how does the reflections takes place here one by one. So what is reflections? First of all, we will define the reflections. Bouncing back of sounds when it strike a hard surface. Bouncing back of sound when it strike a hard surface. Hard surface is known as is known as reflection. Known as reflections of sound. Okay, it's known as reflections of bouncing back of lights in a hard surface. On a hard surface are striking its surface is known as the reflections of sound. Sound follow the same rules of, okay, sound follow the same rules of reflections of light. As light reflected and the rules is there, so same as rules we will is sound will also found. So according to as follow, as given there, given below, I am given here below first rules is there. So we will know that the incident sounds waves. Suppose that these are the, we will draw the figures here. Here is the figures. Suppose that we have drawn here, and these are the clocks, and these are the clocks, and the sound is going from this clock to here, and the second is also these two here, and this is ear, and this is clock. This is, this point is A, this point is B, and here is O. Okay, A, B, and O. Here is the normal, a normal. This is normal. This is incident sound, and this is reflected sounds R. So these are the structures, and O is the point. So we will discuss here the incident sounds waves AO. AO. Incident sound wave AO. Here is AO, and the reflected sound waves. The reflected sound wave. Reflected sound wave OB, okay, reflected sound wave OB, and the normal ON, the normal, this is normal O and N. Here is N normal points, okay, O N at the point of incident, at the point of incident, here is the point of incident, these points incident are all are in, are all lies in same place. These are the first rules, and the second rules is telling you that, so here is the first rules, and the second rules is telling that the angle of angles of reflections, here is the angle AONs are AONs, angle AONs, okay, angle of reflections AON, and angle of, and the angle of angle of uh, uh, angle of reflections, no angle of not reflections, yes, reflections, not AONs, angle of reflections is here, so NOB, and angle of incident here is AON, is always equals. These are the rules, is always equals, these are the rules and reflections, and is found in the same planes and always be equal. So these are the rules. The same rules is here, so just like a rules we are discussing about the lights. So these are the rules, and with the help of rules we will discuss here, and try to solve different types of the questions and related questions, and I hope that you better understand it, so one by one, and furthermore, so we are describing here some well mannered, well ways reflections, and its features of sounds, and calculate different types of questions with the help of these reflections, rules of reflections of the sounds. Okay, thank you, bye bye.